In this video, I am going to guide about switching between payment methods on the Lyft app. This will help you manage your payments more easily while booking rides. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Lyft app on your mobile device. 2. Tap on your profile picture on the menu icon in the top left corner. 3. Select the payment option from the list. 4. You will see all the payments methods linked to your account. 5. To add a new method, tap on Add Payment Method and enter the details. 6. To switch between existing methods, simply tap on the one you want to use. 7. The selected method will now be set as your default for future rides. 8. Close the menu and your new payment preference will be saved automatically. That's it. You have successfully switched your payment method on Lyft. Now you can pay for rides with your preferred option hassle-free.